fabulous freaks.
Today
We did it!
Okay.
Huh? We did it!
Yeah. Today we got another double glamour ghoul unboxing. I actually wrote down what the hell these are. So this is February's Cryptids.
I'm gonna go with it.
Cryptids.
That word.
And then we also have the March Poe one.
Huh?
Do this.
Let's do this, Mama Jama. Dun da da.
I want to believe.
It's Nessie!
And we got our card. I'm not gonna read what's in it yet.
I have I know this is random information, but I have a pair of underpants with Nessie on them.
With Nessie on them.
Yeah.
Are they from that what's that
MeUndies
website?
place? Yeah. MeUndies.
MeUndies. Pick out a thing.
I believe! Is this? Oh my god! It's a Bigfoot hand mirror. This is hilarious. I don't know why I think this is the funniest shit I've ever seen. When I see hand mirrors, I normally expect, oh, something real nice, or like the Jeffree Star ones, or, you know, Nope, did not expect this one.
Is it only blurry? Does it only give you a blurry reflection?
No, it's a pretty clear refraction. Reflect. I can't do words, shut the fuck up.
Looks like some incense from Strange Fire and Fumery, and it's Mothman. It's Mothman flavored. Black oak.
Flavored?
Flavored?
And, I don't know.
Scented?
Eat it?
Scented, yes. Anise, wormwood, and amber.
So it's a Nessie patch from Creature Society.
That's pretty cool.
By the way, this hand mirror does not say who the hell did it.
Yeah.
Suspicious.
So Creature Society, Risky Rabbit. There you go. They have a little Nessie patch.
I kind of like that, considering how we don't normally get patches in these boxes. It's always
Yeah.
pins. And I like patches. And next is Sassy Squatch Bum Mud.
What?
So
Sassy Squatch.
it's sea clay, parsley leaf, and rosemary leaf. So do you put this on your ass, or what does that mean?
Instructions, miss.
Hopefully it didn't come
Mix
from a
clay
bum.
powder with a half tablespoon of water or yogurt until smooth. Perfect before showering. Made for delicate décolletés and derrieres.
So it is for your bum.
Oh lord.
It's for your
So
bum.
you can put it here and your butt.
And we got one more thing.
Hey, it's a pin! I love pins. I don't know what it is. I think it's a werewolf?
I think it's just...
Like, or a ghost or something? 10th Dimension Art Collective. They always have such nice pins.
Alright, let's see what all this is. Alright, pin from 10th Dimension Art Collective, which...
We don't know what the fuck it is, but
we don't
it's
know what
still
it
cool
is, but
looking.
it's neat looking.
Maybe it's a banshee.
Maybe. The Mothman incense is from Strange Fire and Fumery. Sassy Squatch Bum Mud from Bath Anatomy.
Butt mud.
Patch from Risky Rabbit, and then Mirror from Gorgeous Laboratory.
Oh! Okay. I should have guessed it was Gorgeous Laboratory.
Do you want to do the honors since this is your box, technically?
I mean, it does have my name on it.
Be careful.
Do you need help?
No! Let me do things stupidly. Let's open this beach. Aww. I love that. The card, nevermore. Your turn to go first.
Alright.
News.
Looks like the first thing is an art print
Pretty.
from Street Trash Art. I became insane with long intervals of horrible sanity.
I always love that one. Okay, next thing. Edgar Allan Poe earrings from Little Black Bats. Okay, they're just little Edgar Allan Poe portraits.
This looks like a makeup thing.
Makeups.
Oh, it's like multiple makeups.
What is it?
Alright, it is from Emery Soap Company.
Cool.
And it looks like
Ooh, look at the card.
mint lip balm,
Nice.
cherry lip balm,
Nice.
cherry lip scrub.
Nice. Lip scrubs are always good to have. Random tip. If you find yourself having a lot of like really bad chapped lips and stuff, a lip scrub at night followed by a really good moisturizing lip balm before you go to bed, new face in the morning. What is this? I see a little red thing. It's a heart. Ah, my god, I love this! It's a heart hairpin! And it's anatomically correct from Pins and Needles. I loved the last hairpin we got from them. The little coffin one was so cute.
This is nice and sturdy too.
Right?
Oh, heavy.
That's a hefty little beasted. I like it.
Wait. I feel something. Aha!
A thing!
Absinthe, Ravenous from Ginger Voodoo, Ravenous Absinthe Perfume Balm.
Ooh. I always
curious.
love hard perfumes over spritzy ones.
Ooh, this smells good.
Oh. Oh. Oh, what is this? What smell is that supposed to be?
Absinthe.
I dig it. You got earrings from Little Black Bats, which by the way is a really cute name. I like that name. An exclusive art print from Street Trash Art. Ba, ba, ba. Woo. And then the perfume from Ginger Voodoo. Should have guessed it. That and it probably says it on there. Yeah,
It does.
Then there's a lip care bundle from Amory Soap Company, and then handmade necklace or bow. Oh, we got the bow. Okay, from Pins and Needles Boutique. I do like that part better. I like that part.
I do. I do too. So out of the two boxes, which one did you like the most?
I mean, do you have to ask?
Yeah. I think we're gonna be a little bit biased on this one and say the Poe one's the best.
Stop. Bug mud. Do you have problems with your butt?
I don't know.
Your butt problems. Do you get booty bothered? Or butt hurt easily?
For those of you who are easily butthurt, we recommend
We got a thing for you!
I kind of want to smell it.
Go for it, man. It sounds like it's pretty similar to that powder, to that clay mask that I got from,
It
Rub it
smells
out.
like tomato soup.
What?
It smells like tomato soup.
Actually, that would make sense. Let me see.
because it does have parsley in it.
Sea clay, parsley leaf, and rosemary. Parsley and rosemary.
I want to smell.
So it totally smells like pasta. I now want garlic bread.
Yeah, this smells like a pre-mix.
So
That's
I'm gonna
weird.
have spaghetti butt.
Spaghetti. What is my spaghetti?
Someone touching my spaghetti.
spaghetti.
But I could see how it would be very useful for, people getting heat rash on the booty.
Alright.
Parsley good for that? Or is pasta good for
I was
that?
thinking more of like the sea clay and I can't remember. I was thinking more like rosemary and sea clay. I'm not sure about parsley, but I know the sea clay and stuff should help with like heat rash and things of that nature. If I'm accurate.
Feels like an odd thing to throw in a box.
Some of the stuff they throw in here is beauty products.
Yeah.
So if they're themed to the box correctly,
You don't want a beauty booty? I mean, that's the thing nowadays, is being thick. Right?
Yeah.
We're supposed to be gothic. With like 5 C's. I think that's that, yeah.
That is that.
It's probably the most interesting unboxing we've had in a long time.
Yes. Now that we actually know what stuff is and we're not confused and... I mean, we're still confused by some of the items inside, but that's what makes it interesting.
Only if you're booty bothered. I swear to God we're 12. What the fuck?
Check out Glamour Ghoul Box, and I will link all of, not the products, but the shops in the description below.
Don't ask us where to find the products half the time. Sometimes they're on the Etsy stores and sometimes they're not.
Yeah.
Sometimes they're exclusive.
Sometimes
so
they have their own websites, yeah.
Do you?
Yeah, we used to have the prices, but they took those down because a lot of the things were very exclusive to Glamour
Yeah.
Ghoul Box. So, but boxes range to 37, and they're doing more deluxe boxes now, which range to about 60. And Glamour Ghoul Box is completely independent brands, so no
America.
Yeah, no huge corporate sponsors or anything.
And you don't have to order it overseas.
Be sure to subscribe if you're interested, and check out our Patreon and
do all the things.
Do all the things. Bye.